I am very thankful to the team Image Boosters and Averels especially for believing in us all, because from the ad mats, from PPT presentations to the GD part, they have polished each and every part of us. They have tried their best and they believed in us. That was the greatest thing, and we will surely make you proud, sir.
Hello everyone. It was great experience and learning with the MS Booster, and I will just tell you that how MS Booster is working with an example. Like there is a potter who takes the clay in they mold in a liquid form, and after that they frame and mold it in a complete product. The MS Booster is doing same. They are molding us for the industry, for our professional career, and they are training it with all the skills like professional vocabulary and presentation. So it is the best experience to learn with them.
Good morning, sir. I would like to give you example. What's the work of architect? Actually, architect doing and arranging the things and things in the buildings, but the architect already have the building. Just like Image Booster, we have all the things, words, vocabularies, everything. But we learn from the Image Booster are how to represent in front of others, just like a architecture. And very thankful to the team Image Booster.
Proud student to be a part of this college that allow me to have supportive things through Image Boosters, and I have learned a lot of things which always support me to strive for the excellence. Thank you.
I think I will study about the Image Booster college introduced. It's a great platform for introducing about the industrial function, how it's tooled, and how the industrial politics are connected. I think it's a main improvement for our students, our lives for improving. I think it's.
I love the activities which were conducted by the MS Boosters, especially the team works and activities which we performed. I loved involving that, and we enjoyed it.
Image Boosters, but there are lots of things that might be more improved. But the overall experience was great, and it's helped me a lot.
A really great journey with Image Boosters, and it really helped me in reducing the stage fear.
I am very thankful to with Image Booster to develop our interpersonal skills that develops it is also part of interview and other things, and thank you so much.
I just want to say कि जो Image Boosters है उसने मुझे काफ़ी हेल्प किया है मेरी पर्सनालिटी को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, एंड वन ऑफ द मेन थिंग कि मैं जैसे कि कोर ब्रांच से हूँ, सो वहाँ पे जो है टीम कोऑर्डिनेशन लाइक पीपल जो है इतने ज़्यादा है नहीं. इस चीज़ ने मुझे एक हेल्प किया कि मैं टीम कोऑर्डिनेशन में रह के एक डिफरेंट अप्रोच कैसे लेते हैं लोग, उनके साथ कोऑर्डिनेट कैसे करते हैं, एंड टीम में कैसे टास्क होता है, उस चीज़ को उसने मुझे इम्प्रूव किया एंड एक डिफरेंट ओपिनियन और पर्सपेक्टिव में कहूँगा दिया, और काफ़ी हेल्प किया.
काफ़ी अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो हमें अपने आप को कैसे शो करना है, दूसरों के सामने कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करना है वो हमें बताया है इसने. मतलब हमारे रेगुलर करिकुलम जो हमें सिखाते हैं कॉलेज में, उसके अपार्ट हमें काफ़ी कुछ जो नीड होती है, हमें कैसे अपने आप को कॉर्पोरेट के सामने प्रेजेंट करना है, कैसे अपनी स्किल्स और कैसे कम्युनिकेट करना है, वो सब हमें इमेज बूस्टर्स ने सिखाया है. तो काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, काफ़ी आगे भी रिकमेंड होना चाहिए हमें जो हमारे जूनियर्स आएंगे उनके लिए. थैंक यू सर.
We all have performed many other activities which are improve our skills in interview sessions and GD session, in PDP sessions, and which are improve my personality skills and developments, and we are gain many of the knowledge and information about them, and it works on कि how कैसे हमें मतलब इंटरव्यू में रिएक्ट करना है, कैसे उसको आंसर्स करने हैं, कैसे सब कुछ हमारे ये हमें बताया गया है इसमें.
Good morning. I have great learning experience with Image Booster last 2 years, and Image Booster reduces our stage fear and communication skill. It improves our communication skill. So cheers to Image Booster.
Hello everyone. Myself Gaurav, and I am here to give the feedback of related to Image Booster. It is a beautiful journey with the Image Booster, which teach us the how to integrate the soft skill with our technical knowledge and convince the interviewer to select ourselves. And it's a very pleasant pleasant journey with the gym.
Learned a lot from Image Boosters and enjoyed the most.
We gained confidence and enhanced our skills.
Sections and the interview part was amazing. It's been a great experience for being part of Image Boosters for the past 2 years.
These sessions will get your image boosted up. It's been a great opportunity for us to learn from the best. My stage fear with Image Boosters, it is a great experience.
I learned a lot from my Image Booster. I sharpened my English and I just enjoyed this sessions.
Training Institute for Personality Development.
It is a pleasure to have Image Booster in our campus. So we are very happy that we are in our campus. Thank you so much.
It was a really great journey of 2 years. I learned a lot and I learned how to boost your confidence, how I speak in front of the audience, and I learned how to give interviews, and I learned how to face the crowd and thank you, sir. It's an amazing experience to being part of the Image Booster. I have gained multiple experience. I have gained confidence and personality development, and with I for the fear experience.
Nice session that since last 2 years we have a great experience for Aviral sir, and we remove stage fear, so that's nice.
Gave me a lot of confidence and improve my soft skills.
Image Booster provides great opportunity. Since last 2 years, I overcome my stage fear. I improved my communication skills, and by joining the program of Image Boosters, I think many students will get benefit from it. Regarding interview and his personality traits.
It is a very good experience for me for last 2 years. Image Booster is such a good platform which built our confidence and built our career in real world life interview, group discussion and everything.
Learned about corporate culture and interview experience.
It was a great experience for me to be the part of these sessions. Thank you.
Image Boosters is the best organization for the job preparations of students, and it helps in reducing the stage fear and communication skills.
Image Booster help us a lot. They tell us how to give interviews, and they improve student leadership quality, and the group discussion helps a lot to students to speak fluent English and well English.
Image Booster helped me in improving my stage fear, my communication skill, and I learned how to be a good leader. Cheers for Image Boosters.
Image Boosters are so good. I recommend Image Boosters to my juniors.
Image Booster improve your confidence and give you motivation to do good work in corporates. Cheers for
Image Boosters basically teaches you the leadership qualities, and it also boosts your confidence, and it also helps in your spoken English, and I recommend it to everyone. Thanks.
Boosters increased my confidence and helped remove my stage fear. Thank you.